Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best hiking shoes for women that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're an avid trail explorer or someone looking to get started with hiking, these shoes are designed to provide comfort, durability, and performance. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the Nordiv 8 women's lightweight hiking shoes with quick laces. These shoes are an affordable and lightweight option designed for the casual hiker or someone looking for an outdoor fashion sneaker. The quick lace system is particularly convenient for on-the-go adjustments, ensuring a snug fit without the hassle of traditional laces. In terms of design, these shoes feature a breathable mesh upper that keeps your feet cool during warm weather hikes. The build quality is decent for the price point, though it might lack the rugged durability of premium options. The outsole provides a fair amount of traction on light trails, but it's not ideal for more demanding terrains. Users have reported that these shoes are extremely comfortable for short hikes and daily outdoor activities, but might not hold up well under heavy loads or extended use. If you're on a tight budget and need something functional for light trail use or casual wear, these are a solid pick. However, they're not waterproof, and the lightweight construction means they're better suited for dry and mild conditions. Pros include affordability, breathability, and ease of use, while cons include limited durability and lack of waterproofing. Coming in at number 4, we have the Columbia Women's Crestwood hiking shoe. As the most budget-friendly option in our lineup, this shoe is a fantastic choice for entry-level hikers or those looking for casual outdoor footwear. Despite its affordable price tag, it offers solid performance for light to moderate trails. The Crestwood features a combination of suede leather, mesh, and webbing for a design that balances durability and breathability. The midsole is equipped with Columbia's Tech-Lite cushioning, providing excellent shock absorption and long-lasting comfort. While the grip on the outsole is decent for most terrain, it's not as aggressive as some of the higher-end hiking shoes, so it's better suited for well-maintained trails rather than challenging or rocky environments. Overall, the Crestwood is a great value pick for beginners. Its lightweight feel and comfortable fit make it ideal for day hikes or casual outdoor activities. However, it's not waterproof, so it's not the best choice for wet conditions. Pros include affordability, comfort, and a versatile design, while cons include limited traction and lack of waterproofing. At number 3, we have the Nordiv 8 women's waterproof hiking boots. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with waterproof capabilities, this is an excellent choice. Designed for trekking, camping, and trail hiking, these boots are a step up in terms of durability and versatility compared to their lightweight counterpart. The upper is made of durable synthetic leather with a waterproof membrane, ensuring your feet stay dry during wet conditions. The outsole features a slip-resistant tread pattern, offering good grip on various terrains. The padded collar and tongue add extra comfort, while the cushioned insole provides decent arch support. While the build quality is above average for its price range, it's not as rugged or long-lasting as premium hiking boots, so you may see wear and tear faster with heavy use. These boots are perfect for casual hikers and those who need waterproof protection for moderate trails. However, serious hikers tackling steep or technical trails may find the support and durability lacking. Pros include waterproofing, affordability, and decent grip, while cons include moderate durability and average support for advanced trails. In the runner-up spot, we have the Merrell Women's Moab 3 Mid-Waterproof Hiking Boot. This boot is part of Merrell's legendary Moab series, known for its out-of-the-box comfort, durability, and versatility. If you're an experienced hiker looking for a reliable all-around boot, the Moab 3 delivers in spades. The Moab 3 features a waterproof membrane to keep your feet dry, a Vibram outsole for exceptional grip on a variety of surfaces, and a contoured footbed with zonal arch and heel support for all-day comfort. The midsole is softer and more cushioned than previous versions, making it ideal for long hikes. What sets this boot apart is its use of partially recycled materials, which is a nice eco-friendly touch. While the Moab 3 excels in comfort and performance, Its higher price point may not be accessible to everyone, especially for casual hikers. It's also slightly heavier than some other options, which may be a downside for those prioritizing lightweight gear. Pros include excellent comfort, top-notch traction, and waterproofing, while cons include higher price and slightly heavier build. Finally, taking the top spot is the Columbia Women's Newton Ridge Plus Waterproof Amped Hiking Boot. This premium option combines style, comfort, and durability, making it the perfect choice for hikers of all levels. Whether you're tackling all-day trails or weekend camping trips, this boot will keep you supported and comfortable throughout. The Newton Ridge Plus features a waterproof, full-grain leather upper with a seam-sealed construction, guaranteeing dryness even on the wettest trails. The Techlite lightweight midsole provides superior cushioning and high-energy return, reducing fatigue on long hikes. The Omni Grip rubber outsole delivers exceptional traction on a wide range of surfaces, from muddy paths to rocky inclines. What makes this boot stand out is its balance of rugged durability and lightweight design. It's versatile enough for both beginner and experienced hikers, and its stylish look means it transitions well from trail to town. While it's the most expensive option on this list, its performance and durability justify the price. Pros include waterproofing, excellent grip, and premium comfort, while cons include the higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right hiking shoes for your adventures. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Have questions about these products? Drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy hiking!